Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. showing off an improvement to our bathroom cleaning process. So this is our new poster for the process to clean the bathroom. Simplified it quite a bit, color-coded some things in the bathroom on what to clean. So for reference, this was our poster before, and you can see there is a lot of text on there, and it's 7 steps. And some of it was kind of didn't really make a whole lot of sense. So like if we look at number 2, wipe down the material rack, paper towel, dispenser, rails, fixtures, wall, and doorknob. You know, that's a lot of text there for cleaning the bathroom. And we had people asking, well, why don't we add cleaning the doorknobs to there? Well, it was already on there. It was just too much text to process while you're getting in here and you're cleaning the bathroom. It should be simple and easy. So we were able to go from 7 steps down to essentially 4 steps. So clean toilet bowl with a nice picture on how to do it, obviously. Number 2, clean surfaces, color-coded. So yellow is bleach wipes and blue is Windex. So over here at the rack, I want to print some better labels here, but we've got the yellow and we've got the blue. And if you look around, you're going to see yellow and you're going to see blue on stuff. So anything that's tagged with yellow is a surface that gets wiped down with the bleach wipes. And then you see we got a blue dot here. That blue means it gets the Windex. So sink gets it. So this is kind of showing areas that should be cleaned that were, being overlooked. So it makes it really simple. Swiffer floor, pretty obvious the Swiffer isn't there at the moment. Then replace trash bag, and you can see we added take trash from both bathrooms out to dumpster. That was a question that we were getting from our guests. What do we do with the trash bags once we pull them out of the trash can? So we put the answer where the question was. And one thing that we did remove is refill the soap container and paper towel dispenser. It doesn't happen on a daily basis, and when it runs out, it gets refilled. So we took it off of the daily steps because it doesn't happen every day. So yeah, we're testing it out to see how it works, and as always, leave it better than you found it. Thanks for watching.